Okay, quick review about this flashlight. So I'm going to tell you the bad things, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's start with the bad things about this. Is too bulky. So as you can see, you cannot grab it with one hand. Almost, you need two hands. So you cannot close your hand maybe like any other flashlight. You know, like something like this. So this is like very bulky. Another thing, you have the fans. So it's kind of noisy. It doesn't matter to me, at least. It's not a big deal. The other problem is the heat. Yeah, a lot of temperature you're going to get, so you may have to grab the flashlight like kind of like this instead of grabbing it, you know, like normal, like you grab the flashlight like this. So you have to move it at least 1 inch, and this was or 2 in winter time. In summertime, I don't know how it's going to be. The good thing about this flashlight is you push once and you have the you can turn it on, push it again, you turn it off. If you push a few seconds, it will change the brightness, so that is great. And another bad thing, it doesn't have, you know, like any way to see the level of the battery. So if you don't know if it's going to die in 5 minutes or 1 minute or anything like that. So that is something that I don't like. It's easy to replace the battery. I don't know if you have to buy batteries, you know, the handle and everything, or you have to remove the screws here. So it doesn't look that practical to me. Other than that, the light itself is great. It has few flaws in the designs that I just mentioned before. I mean, if they can fix that would be great. Problem with the port, you know, you have to remove that, plug this in instead of being USB-C. You have to try to put this in, and if it falls, I don't know, you have no rubber, no protection or anything like that. It will get damaged. It's not going to stop working, I don't think so, but you know, it's going to be a problem. Also, I don't know if it falls like that and this you know, gets damaged, broken or anything like that. I don't see screws any way to remove the fans very quickly. It seems like it's going to be a pain in the butt if you have to perform any repair on this. It looks kind of disposable for this price. It seems a lot to me. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. I am in US. If you want me to send you a flashlight like that or anything else, please let me know. All my information in the video description. If you're here in US, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. Thank you, and see you in the next class.